Reevaluating their way of life, the owners of the Mirador House decided to spend more time at their vacation home, which originally consisted of 65 square meters with 1 bedroom and bathroom, plus a space where the family's 2 daughters slept. The existing house then needed to be expanded for social areas and to take advantage of the site's view. Connecting to the existing construction, the architecture firm RAMA Estudio then conceived a glass box elevated above the sloped terrain. 2 porticos serve as the structure for both the floor and the roof, with vegetation and thermal insulation. This structure requires minimal foundation, allowing for almost no soil disturbance and very little time for its manufacturing and assembly. The 120 square meter addition contains a kitchen, dining area, and living room. A single piece of furniture is placed in the center of the new space, centralizing all the facilities, appliances, and kitchen cabinets within this piece, as well as the fireplace in the living room. The 3 openings of the expansion are covered with tempered glass. Floor and ceiling elements frame the view and allow the nature of the environment to envelop the space. The existing vegetation provides enough privacy to maintain transparency around the entire perimeter. The walls of the facade of the existing construction are removed, and an element connecting to the new construction is created: a modular plywood panel for storage or purely decorative, as a permeable and semi-transparent screen. In the existing construction, the daughters gained independent bedrooms and a bathroom, configured by lightweight panels made of plywood and metal sheets. This cladding contains thermal acoustic insulation to improve comfort in the bedrooms and bathrooms. The work was completed in 3 months and ready to be inhabited. No vegetation was damaged and no material was wasted. All material that could be reused from the demolition of the facade was separated for later use, and the rubble was used to improve the soil in nearby areas.